Hey, good morning, guys. Today, I'm going to make rice pudding. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. Of egg mixture, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup heavy cream, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, and a tablespoon of butter. So I mix it together with the egg. This is an egg mixture, and this one is 4 cups of milk, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of raisins, and 3 cups of cooked rice, and then cinnamon. Okay, to start, I'm going to mix the 3 cups of rice. This is cooked already. If you have a leftover rice, we have milk, 4 cups of milk. Okay, and we have sugar, 1/2 cup sugar, and 1/2 cup raisins. Okay, so we're gonna mix it together. Cheese. I love cheese. Okay. I'm going to put all this cheese. Well, this cheese is a melting cheese, so it doesn't matter if... Okay, wait a second. Okay. Okay, guys. And then, I'm going to add the egg mixture. So, but I'm going to do it slowly by slowly, guys, because the eggs might become scrambled. Okay, so I'll do it. Little by little. And I off the fire. Okay. So this is it. I'm gonna mix it together first. Milk, condensed milk. Okay, I will try. Mm, mm. Since it's dessert, I'm gonna add more milk, guys. So I add milk, condensed milk. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Test again. Mm. I cannot open it. Will you please open it? Okay. I add a little sugar, guys. This is sugar. Okay. Okay. Because some of the people will say, oh, that's a dessert. It should be sweet. Okay, I make it a little sweeter. And I'm gonna have a taste. Ay, not so much. Okay, guys, we're gonna put a cinnamon. Okay, guys, so, and I'm gonna have a taste. So this is our rice pudding, guys. Okay, look at this one. Okay, oh, this one, guys. Okay, this is the one that I'm gonna taste. And that's the one of this one. Look at the picture of this one. It's very yummy. And then, we're gonna put that one in the fridge and it will be firm. Okay? So this one, still hot. You can eat hot or you can eat cold. When you put in the refrigerator, it become firm. And then, it's good also. But this one, I try to taste the hot. Okay? This one. Mmm. Mm. It's yummy, guys. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, guys, if you have a leftover rice, you can make a rice pudding. Okay? Okay, guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D underscore, bro underscore ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.